And today we're going to be checking out this little Hosim 1/14 scale RC truck. It is four-wheel drive. It has lights in the front, it has lights in the back, it has lights on the bumper. It's going to be super quick. It's got some nice metal CV joints and dog bones in the rear. So what we're going to do first is we're going to do a quick performance test. Then we're going to pop the lid off of this and see what's on the inside. And then after that, we're going to cut to the unboxing so you can see everything you're going to get with this little RC truck. Let's get to it. All right, let's see what kind of pop it has. We are running on 2S batteries. That's what it comes with. And it's a wheelie monster. It's already pulling the wheels off the ground. In the grass at that. All right, let's see what she's got. We're gonna get over here in the gravel and have a little fun. So as you can see, it's a quite capable, fun little RC truck. Now something I did discover is you see it's got the headlights and the bumper lights in the front right there. You can use your controller and change your headlight color, or your, I'm going to call it your bumper light. You can change your bumper light color by using the controller. You can also get it to do like a little fade. And then if you look on the bottom, this thing has underglow built in, which is really cool, and you can change that color with a separate button on the controller as well. Very, very cool. Now I do consider this a toy grade RC, but as you saw, it gets the job done. It's perfect for that beginner. You can get parts for it, so that's not a big deal. And if we look inside, you can see you have your plastic shocks, you have your metal dog bones, you do have plastic gears in the differentials, you do have the safety bumper, that little hoop right there. This is where your battery sits. You have a brush motor that has a heat sink on it, and there's your ESC and radio combo. It is friction shocks, but man, this thing looks nice. It's got this nice roof guard. You got the lights in the back, as we said, the chassis lights and the bumper lights. And this is perfect for that budding new RCer. So what we're going to do now is, let's go ahead, we're going to cut to the unboxing so you can see everything you're going to get with this little truck. Okay, so what do you guys think about this little Hosim brush truck? Pretty cool. Now that you've seen the truck and you're sticking around, that means you may be interested in this car and want to know what's inside. So now I'm going to do the unboxing so you can see exactly what you're going to get. Let's go ahead, we're going to swing the camera down and take a closer look. Alrighty. Now obviously this is before my testing. I just like to show the testing first because that's what people are mostly interested in, is they want to know the performance. And here is your little customer card right here. You get a nice color user manual. That's pretty cool. They're giving you a little storage bag right here, which is nice. It's a little nylon style bag, and inside the bag you have some extras. You have a cleaning brush, you have extra body pins, and you have extra wheel nuts. All right, let's see what else we get. Here's your remote control. That's different. I haven't seen one with this little glossy center cap before. You have all your different controls on top right here. It does run off of 4 AA batteries. And then here's the truck. And then there's one more little hidden box in here. Let's see what's in this box. And inside the box, you get a Phillips screwdriver, you get a wheel wrench, you get a battery charger, which is a balance charger, and you get some extra parts, which is kind of cool. This is an extra front control arm, upper and lower control arm with the hub, and then you get another front one for the other side. So very cool. They're expecting you to hit something and possibly break it, so they're ahead of the game by giving you these parts. And then they're going to give you a differential. Now the differentials in this truck are plastic, and it is a nice little differential. It's got nice big gearing. We'll see how well it holds up here in just a little bit. Let's go ahead. We're going to take a look inside this truck. You can see that there is a light kit inside. Alright, and so here's the body. You can see you have this roof rack on top. Inside the roof rack, you actually have an LED light bar in the front and in the back. And you can see that they both provide lights. Very cool. If you look on the bottom of the truck, you also have underglow. So it's actually going to light the street up as you're cruising around in low light situations. And you have headlights in the front. Now this is a big brush motor right here with a heat sink on it. You do run off of a Dean's plug. This truck does come with 2 batteries. And this is going to be your ESC and your receiver combo right here with a nice little antenna. It is friction shocks. It is plastic differentials. You do have metal dog bones. You have metal CVs in the front. The differentials feel nice and smooth. Your battery goes in on this side over here. You just have this little flip tab that you just release it, put your battery in, bring it back down. This is what the batteries look like. They're like this in a little case to help protect the battery. You can just click the little button on there and it tells you the charge level. You plug in here, you have a balance port here. This is where you would charge it with your included charger. They are 7.4 volts and you do get 2 of them for double the runtime. So overall, it's a nice little beginner RC. It comes with all the parts you need. It's going to be fast enough and good enough for that beginner and great for learning. It's going to be durable. You're going to get a ton of runtime with these 2 batteries, and it's also repairable, which is good. So if you do break it, you can get parts. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.